So I think I'll divide your question into two parts. If you look at what Chuck was saying about American films, they have spent time and effort to build an international market. It requires focusing on it. I'm talking about beyond Indians, and it requires money. So we'll need to do that. We don't have that organized. Like everyone says, content is king, but a very wise man told me distribution is God. So I don't think our films reach there, for which we'll have to work on it. Yeah.
The streaming platform gave you is to tell different kind of content, right? You had an audience there which was not watching broadcast TV, but was consuming content from around the world. So you go out there and you could tell stories. I mean, that gave a birth to a lot of new talent behind the cameras, right? Writers' room started being set up. You had an opportunity for technical crew to coming on board, which you would ideally not hire them for films, for any, there were various. So there's so much of opportunity created for it. But the main thing, which is whether you tell a story in a theater, the soul, which is the writing, the film, the story, right? I think that it gave you an opportunity of telling different kind of stories. You could have characters which didn't need to end in 90 minutes or 2 hours or 2.5 hours.
Right.
So the entire format is very different where series are concerned. Also, what I think is that there is some benefit. What they did is suddenly what Dinesh was talking earlier about distribution model. Now, today, people have discovered Indian content. Whether, like Amir says, sometimes it's by accident or whatever, at least they're aware. So today, if an Indian film goes outside the diaspora, they're aware of it. The Western audience is aware because your content is available now in 200 countries.
Right. What we're finding is there's a feast and famine happening after COVID. Either you have movies, like 7 movies did more than 500 crores business. So the demand is still insatiable. Pre-COVID, only 1 movie did 500 crores business, above 500 crores business. So it's just that what's happening is you have feast. Suddenly a big movie comes, hits a jackpot, and suddenly there is a complete famine.
This is probably obvious, but it wasn't quite as obvious to me before I came here and talked to you all. Your business is so just inside India, and my business is so around the world, and so the model is completely different. You have a lot of independence in a certain kind of way, right? All of you make movies or content, and you decide how you're going to get it exhibited, sometimes as you're financing it, and sometimes after you've financed it, right? I make movies and content, whether they go on streamers or they go on motion picture, on theaters, and it's usually decided before I even start production, right? Very rarely do I make something where I'm going to go, I'm just going to get it made and then I'm going to decide how I'm going to exhibit it, right? But everything that I do, it starts out with the intention that I want to show it around the world. I don't think that's where you guys come from.
No, we don't. No, you're absolutely right.
Okay, and honestly, what's so great about this whole event is, in my opinion, my humble opinion, you should be looking at the world and figuring out a way of how to get there.
No.
Okay.
I haven't followed that, because for me, making a film, the decision to make a film has very rarely connected to its distribution. It's the material that excites me, and then I want to make that. And so I don't think कि यार ये China में चलेगी, or this has potential in China, because with great difficulty I understand what's working in India. So what's working in China, I really don't have an idea. But I think Chuck is so right. His observation that we as Indians, we make films for our own audience, and we don't even think of an international audience. Now, one of the reasons is that we have a large and healthy audience of our own, and in different languages for that matter, because India doesn't only make Hindi films, they make multiple languages, and each language has a very strong and vibrant audience. So I think for us, often as filmmakers over the decades, I feel my common sense tells me that because filmmakers were making films for their own audience, they then think of an audience outside of India. Also, when you're making a film for the world, then your manner of communication might have to change a little bit. You know, the manner in which you communicate, not the story itself, because I feel the more local you are in your selection of content, the more global you are quite naturally. I think as Indian producers and filmmakers, we have not spent time in trying to create a distribution channel. If we invest our time and effort in trying to create a distribution channel for our films in different countries and different parts of the world, then I think that will start happening. Because we haven't bothered only. Really, we haven't bothered.
I think it's very pertinent what everybody's saying. I think from our standpoint, we are making a story that I believe is meant from India for the world. So to what you said, Amir, it is about being authentic, about our culture and about our characters and our stories. But we are garnishing it with the right mix of talent, technology, and the way we want to go about it is to really make it feel local to people in the world. Again, with the use of some technology, we're trying to make sure that we will be able to localize the film in languages with performance, which means that it should play in English with lip sync, without subtitles or dubbed versions, because
It should be in English.
it should be in English.
In Spain, it should be in Spanish.
It should be in Spanish. It should be in Japanese and Japan.
Which
So
now is possible because of technology.
because of technology. So we're trying to make sure that we take our stories, maintain the authenticity of the characters and the world that we're talking about, but leverage that in a way that the rest of the world is not being challenged by the expression. Like, that's why, if you think about it, it's only American films that travel to the world. It's not like we're all watching French and Japanese and other films, because the language barrier to me has been a big challenge. While great content will transcend it, but in general, if you want to go en masse, it is a challenge.